which area in Seattle can offer the best value right now. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in Crown Hills, just a little bit north of Ballard. A lot of people know Ballard because Ballard offers great schools, safety, and great commute. But Crown Hills is actually just a little bit north of it, and the prices here are a lot better in Ballard. So today we're in a kind of a townhome neighborhood. It's a gated entry neighborhood. And this whole community was built in 2021. And this unit that we're going to show you today has 2 beds, 2 baths, and the square footage is 1,500. It's great inside, very modern and sleek. Let's go and check it out. So coming in from the front door, this is a quite spacious family room / living room. So you can definitely make it a space where you greet your friends, or you can hang a TV here and make it a family room, an entertaining room. And the ceiling height is around 9 feet, great natural light, very open concept. So right here we have the dining and kitchen area. I really like how they have so many storage places. The cabinet is kind of like a gray plus a white quartz countertop on top. So very modern design. And then they have the gas stove. The brand is Bosch, really good brand, very, very practical and luxurious. And here they have a kind of like a walk-in pantry. You can have more storage here. A very good space as well. And here is your dining area. Because we are staging it, so we put in a very cute little table in the center. But I think the space here definitely can fit 6 seats round table. So you can have your dinner with your family and then gathering with your friends. Now we are on the 2nd level. This whole level is for the primary bedroom and bathroom. It's for the owner to stay. So when you come up from the stairs, this is a great space for your little desk, kind of an office area. So they have vinyl plank all the way to the bedroom, and they have the air conditioning as well. Let's go check out the primary. So this primary bedroom has great space. You can easily fit in like a king-size bed, great size nightstands, and then this area, you can put in more seating, or you can have a little table here. And then they have big windows, so it brings in great natural light. The ceiling height is again 9 feet, so it feels very bright and spacious. Here is a walk-in closet. You can put in more shelves and then drawers. And they also have this skylight here, so great natural light as well. And then on the other side, they have this laundry room. And then here is the primary bath. So they have heated flooring, tile as well. And then same style, 2 sink, matching the kitchen downstairs. And then they have this floating cabinet, which I really, really like. Very luxurious. And then here is a huge shower room. They have tiles all the way, so white tile at the bottom, and then all the way to the ceiling is the gray tile. So the whole design is very modern. And now we're on the top floor. So this level is very interesting. A is very spacious. You can fit in, a bed or sofa. You can make it a bedroom just as is. They do have a suite, kind of a bathroom suite, and they have a shower there. Or you can make this room kind of like a entertaining room, bonus room, because they also have this really nice balcony here. And I also saw some neighbors who put in a barbecue griller here, so you can actually have some friends, family gathering here, watching TV or watching some movies together. So this kind of like a flex area for you to define. So after going through this home, I really like the location of it. Crown Hills is one of the best value in Seattle right now because it is really easy commute, great shopping area, metropolitan is right there, just 3 minutes walking, and then it offers great schools and then very safe neighborhood. Like this one, it has gated entry, it has underground parking, so you really can enjoy the city life in Seattle in this unit. And we are going to put this unit on the market this weekend. The price is $715,000. If you are interested, come and join us during the open houses. I'm Maggie. I will see you next month.